This is the best supernatural evidence that I have ever caught on video. And talking of supernatural, on my ceiling, the solar light outside is shining. It's now 3:15 a.m. on the 7th of June 2025, and on page 315 of the the 315th chapter of the Bible is actually 2 Kings chapter 2, where Elijah is taken to heaven in a chariot of fire. That's incredible. And I claim to be the prophet Elijah of Malachi chapter 4 verse 5, where it says, "Look, I will send my prophet Elijah before the great and awe-inspiring day of Jehovah." But my solar light just came on outside, and the 6-foot fence around it, so nothing's triggered it like a dog or anything. So that corresponds to the time and me doing this supernatural video, and I'll show how it's connected to Elijah in a minute. But this video, as I say, was taken on the 26th of May 2025 at 1:53 a.m. and the original video is 8 minutes 24 seconds, and I've cut this video down now to 1 minute 48 seconds. So please watch this video. It's just very quick, but you'll see 13 seconds into this video, you'll see two reddish supernatural, well, they're tall pillars of reddish light appear either side of the front door of number 22 Harrier Court, Lincoln. So here we go, watch this. There we go. I was taking a video of the star. There's the lights on number 24 Harrier Court. Now watch to the right. Watch these two pillars of light just appear. There we go. What is that, everybody? Yeah, that solar light coming on outside is definitely a sign. There we go. That was in the west. This is in the I'd say it's the southwest, really. But what I'll do, I'll pause the video. We'll start the video again, and this time we'll zoom in on that area. Oh, we're messing around now. There we go. What is that, everybody? Right, that front door, took a picture of it a few days ago, and you can see it's got two slats of glass on the door, and there's no light coming from that. Look, that pillar of reddish light is on the wall next to the door, and the one on the left is a window, but it's not that big. It's only a small window. That light is not coming from anything. It's just appeared on in the video. What the hell is that? See, what Jehovah does, he'll show a video, a supernatural video, and then he'll do another supernatural thing, like put these solar lights, switch these solar lights on. Yeah, look at that. I don't think there's any other. I'm not sure what that green light is to the right there. I don't know whether that's just a garden lamp, but that's a bit strange as well. But yeah, that light is not emanating from any windows. That's what the colour of the light should be on the left. Look, the white. This is a reddish glow. It's almost shimmering as well, if you can see. But as I say, the time was 3:15 when that solar light came on outside. Which, as I say, chapter 315 in the Bible is is 2 Kings chapter 2 and verse 11, where Elijah's taken to heaven. Also, my surname Hashay, well, it's Hacche, but a variation of it, Hach, is encoded in the New World Translation in 2 Kings chapter 2, verse 11, where Elijah's taken to heaven. And also my modern name for Hashay, which is Hatch, Hatch, is encoded in the New World Translation. And actually in Gematria, if you put 22 Harrier Court, write 22 out in letters, 22 Harrier Court, I can't remember that, you have to mix the numbers up, but it actually, my English Gematria app said it's 2 Kings chapter 2. Elijah going to heaven today, going to heaven. So the time is 3:15, and the Gematria is confirming that 22 Harrier Court is connected to Elijah going to heaven as well. So it's incredible. Oh, the evidence I've got for being a prophet Elijah, Malachi 4 verse 5. It says, look, I will send my prophet Elijah before the great and awe-inspiring day of Jehovah, and know Jehovah's Witnesses. As the Watchtower says, Elijah in Malachi 4 verse 5 is the Elijah class. It's not the anointed. They're not prophets to start with, like Elijah was. Anyway, that's a quick demonstration. Bye for now.